Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
The strongest cough medicine for sleep often includes ingredients like dextromethorphan, a cough suppressant, and doxylamine succinate, an antihistamine that causes drowsiness, which can help alleviate coughing and improve sleep. Products such as NyQuil or Robitussin Nighttime are commonly recommended. However, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new medication, especially to ensure it's suitable for your specific health condition.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.